Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of your kitchen, exploring the best 3-hole kitchen faucets in America. If you're in the market for a faucet that combines style, functionality, and durability, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's get started. First up on our list is the Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. The Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a single lever design that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature, and a high arch spout that provides ample clearance for filling tall pots and pans. The faucet also includes a convenient side spray that is perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables or cleaning up messes. The Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is made from durable metal and finished in a beautiful brushed nickel finish that is resistant to corrosion and tarnish. The faucet is also backed by Kohler's limited lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that it will provide years of trouble-free use. Here are some of the key features of the Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. Single lever design for easy control of water flow and temperature. High arch spout for ample clearance for filling tall pots and pans. Convenient side spray for rinsing fruits and vegetables or cleaning up messes. Durable metal construction with a beautiful brushed nickel finish. Limited lifetime warranty. Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: design, functionality, durability, water efficiency, easy to clean, precise control, ADA compliant. Cons: cost, installation, reach, water spotting. Overall, the Kohler K1043OBN Forta 3-hole remote valve kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It is made from durable materials and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that it will provide years of trouble-free use. Next in line is the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet with pull-down sprayer and soap dispenser. Delta is a trusted name in the industry, and the Kate series is no exception. The Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet is a kitchen faucet that features a pull-down spray wand, a soap dispenser, and a magnetite docking system. The pull-down spray wand is designed to provide flexibility and reach, while the magnetite docking system keeps the spray wand securely in place when not in use. The faucet also features diamond seal technology, which is designed to prevent leaks and ensure like-new operation for the life of the faucet. The Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including chrome, stainless steel, and bronze. It has a 4.4-star rating on Amazon, with users praising its quality, style, and functionality. Here are some of the key features of the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet. Pull-down spray wand for flexibility and reach. Magnetite docking system keeps the spray wand securely in place. Diamond seal technology prevents leaks and ensures like-new operation. Available in a variety of finishes. 4.4-star rating on Amazon. If you are looking for a kitchen faucet that is stylish, functional, and durable, the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet is a great option. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet. The price of the faucet can vary depending on the retailer and finish. The faucet requires a single hole for installation. The faucet is covered by a lifetime limited warranty. Here are some pros and cons of the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet. Pros: diamond seal technology, magnetite docking, pull-down sprayer, included soap dispenser, lifetime warranty. Cons: installation, sprayer hose length. Overall, the Delta Chrome 16970SD DSD Kate single-handle faucet is a high-quality faucet that offers a number of features and benefits. However, it is also more expensive than some other faucets on the market, and it can be a bit more difficult to install. If you are looking for a durable and reliable faucet with a lifetime warranty, then this is a good option. However, if you are on a budget or are not comfortable installing a faucet yourself, then you may want to consider a different model. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Kohler KR10651SD versus Sue's kitchen sink faucet. Kohler strikes again with a faucet that combines style, innovation, and practicality. This faucet boasts a vibrant stainless steel finish that not only complements your kitchen decor but also resists corrosion and tarnishing. The high arch, spout, and 3-function spray head make cleaning and filling large pots a breeze. Additionally, the built-in soap dispenser adds an extra touch of functionality to your kitchen. Inspired by the efficiency and style of professional kitchens, the Kohler Sue's faucet elevates your home cooking experience with its exceptional functionality and sleek design. Let's delve into its key features. Design. High arch spout with exposed spring. This iconic design element offers superior clearance for filling tall pots and cleaning bulky items, while the spring adds a touch of industrial chic. Single lever handle simplifies temperature control and water flow adjustment with effortless ease. Vibrant stainless steel finish provides a modern, polished look that complements any kitchen style. Functionality. Pull-down sprayer extends and retracts smoothly, offering ultimate reach and flexibility for various tasks like rinsing dishes, filling containers, and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. 2-function spray head switch between a powerful stream for focused cleaning and a broad sweep spray for wider coverage, all controlled with a convenient touch activation button. Pro-style performance. Inspired by professional kitchens, the faucet boasts durability and resilience. 2. Handle demanding everyday use. Additional highlights. Deck plate included, accommodates single-hole installations for a clean and streamlined look. Easy installation, designed for effortless mounting to simplify the upgrade process. Kohler reputation, backed by the trusted Kohler brand, ensuring quality, reliability, and lasting performance. Potential drawbacks. Price. Compared to standard kitchen faucets, the Kohler Sue's falls into a higher price range. Single hole requirement, not suitable for sinks with PRE drilled multiple faucet holes. Here is a list of pros and cons for the Kohler KR10651SD versus Sue's kitchen sink faucet. Pros. Professional look and feel. Superior functionality. Easy to use. Durable construction. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons. Installation. Size. Sprayer head. Soap dispenser. Overall, the Kohler KR10651SD versus Sue's kitchen sink faucet is a premium choice for homeowners seeking professional-grade functionality and a touch of restaurant-inspired style in their kitchens. Its exceptional design, flexible spraying options, and durable construction make it a worthwhile investment for those who value quality and performance. There you have it, our top picks for the best 3-hole kitchen faucets in America. Whether you're drawn to the sleek design of the Kohler K1043OBN Fort, the convenience of the Delta Kate single handle faucet, or the innovative features of the Kohler KR10651SD versus Sue's, each of these faucets brings something special to the table. That's it for today's comparison video. Let us know in the comments which kitchen faucet caught your eye. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy kitchen remodeling.